I'll tell you what, dude, I like blowing the oil out of that filter because, yeah, when you take that thing down, it's nice and clean.
I mean, you don't want to be wearing the oil when you go out?
You know, only synthetic.
It was nice to see that you went with a premium 5W weight for the restaurant you were going to. I mean, yeah, you got to step it up a notch.
It's a nice restaurant. You want to smell like nice oil, right? So now it's time to outfit this truck with some products that we have from WeatherTech. And a lot of them we're used to. We've been working with them for years. And some of them are brand new. It's the first time that we're working with them. And I know that one guy's going to be excited, and that's the owner of the truck, because he's going to be able to just have all kinds of fun with this stuff.
Yeah, it's all about protecting your vehicle and also giving you some options. Everybody knows WeatherTech for the floor liners, and those are right there.
Then there's the impact liner, and that's going to have the same principle for the bed of your truck. I've got one in my Tundra. I love it. It really does. It works great. And what's cool about this is even if you have a bed liner in there, you can put that on top of it for added protection. Or if you don't have a liner, you drop that in there.
Yeah, and they've got these little impact rings on the back, so absorb the shock of you dropping stuff inside of it.
So let's take a look at the big one right here, dude. This is the roof basket, and this is the first time we've been working with this. And in this truck in particular, the guy's pretty much tapped out on storage, especially if he's bringing somebody with him and maybe, kids or whatever are sitting in the back. All that stuff is piled up on top of the bed. Well, all his gear is going probably in the bed.
Right.
So he's going to be maxed out, and he's saying, I need to bring more stuff. Where am I going to put it? Boom. With the roof basket, now you can put everything up there and you can secure it down there.
Everybody needs more storage,
yes.
right? The older you get, the more stuff you have and the more stuff you want to travel with you. So this gives you an option to store. Now, with the roof basket, there are two different size options. There's large as well as extra large. And all it is adding an optional extender for both. So you don't have to be married to one way or the other. So we've already extended this 9.5 inches. And you can also go wider to 9.5 inches. So you've got plenty of options to secure stuff above your vehicle and go down the road.
Then to tie everything down and make it nice and secure in the roof basket, you've got the WeatherTech Ratchet Straps, and those are good. And you and I were talking about ratchet straps. We've all done it. You just go out and just buy the cheapest ones you can find. They'll get your stuff home.
No, they're like one-time use, right? The ratchet breaks, they don't hold, the D-rings or the rings, the anchor pull apart. I've done it all. A couple little things about these that really make it nice is with a smaller size ratchet, you can see it's got a wider grip to it. So it's not just you're pulling with one finger, so you can actually get some leverage behind it and tighten it down.
For the record, you've got larger fingers than the average person.
I do.
So
yes.
he really does like these ratchet straps for sure. And I like the little keeper.
Yeah, the little keeper here. How many times are you trying to tie something down? You get it on one end, you hook it, and by the time you get to the other end to pull it tight, it unhooks. So you keep going back and forth, trying to keep it secure.
It's like fishing. You're just trying to get that hook on there.
Yeah, and they've got a vinyl coating on it too, so it'll protect what you're hooking to and whatever else might come in contact with it.
All right, so a lot more storage. We've got that covered and everything, but he's going to be outside in the elements. Maybe he's going to get dirty. Maybe he's going to get rained on, and he's going to get back in the truck to go home. And that is where these Terrycloth seat covers come in. And these are nice because they're basically designed to keep the elements that you may have on your clothing off the seats, right? And they just come on and off super easy. So you get those wet and dirty, who cares? You throw them in the wash, you wash them, and they're ready to go for next time. All right, so that's all easy to do. I think what we need to do is get the roof basket in place.
Sounds good, buddy. Ready? Hey, welcome back to Truck U. We've got our WeatherTech install completed both inside of the truck as well as in the bed. Now it's time to do our roof basket. Now, one thing that you need to do if you don't already have roof rails on is you need to acquire a set. And we got these pretty cheap, actually, right online.
Yeah, these were easy to find. They were super easy to install. And the good news is, as Bruno was saying, the instructions will tell you just mount the roof basket to the roof rails. A lot of your newer vehicles come with the roof rails, but if they don't, most of them have provisions for that. So don't look at this and think that it's anything too challenging to put in. It's nice and easy.
Right, and when he means provisions, meaning you do not have to drill holes in the roof of your cab of your truck, that's obviously can be a little bit daunting for a project to do so. This should attach to it without drilling holes, and then the basket on top of it.
You make a very good point. All right, yep, and then just use these little brackets, right? So when that sits on there, boom, that's how it secures. Yep.
Easy peasy.
Nothing to it. There. All right.
We're centered, do you think?
There.
Okay. You put weight in it, it secures itself.
Yeah, absolutely. It's gravitational attachment.
Uh-huh.
All right, Bruno. Take a look at that.
All right.
Cool, right? We'll strap that down in a minute. And basically, our storage issues have been solved, or I'm feeling really good about it. How about you?
I mean, it looks good.
Cool. All right, so we can put this to rest for a couple of minutes because we need to get this truck back over to the lift, and we can look at the suspension and the exhaust. How you doing?
Just getting a wrench down, baby. We're gonna be good here in a minute.
That's not going anywhere.
Man, so we got a lot of stuff done to this little truck. This dude's definitely gonna be happy, man. I mean, it's protected inside and out. We got WeatherTech floor liners. We've got the seat covers, the Terrycloth ones, man. We got the roof rack with some more storage up top. We've got the cargo liner in the back. This thing is decked out.